Okay, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of Blocks by Cosmic. Blocks are data-infused components for building Cosmic-powered websites and apps. Blocks enable you to build the perfect website that is performant, accessible, mobile responsive, preview-ready, personalization-ready, and customizable. By using React Server components as data-infused building blocks, we can get started with these features faster than ever before. Let's check it out. First, I want to show you the end result, which is a fully featured website that has insane performance. All of the features on this website are available with blocks powered by the Cosmic CMS. So you'll notice this landing page with a hero, as well as sections and testimonials, frequently asked questions, as well as navigation elements. These are all available as blocks. If we go to different pages, we'll see the team block, as well as products. That includes an image gallery block, a blog that includes categorizations as well as authors, and comments, so you can have user-generated content. Adding events to your website, and it is also available in light mode. And this is fully open source. You can go to the GitHub repository and fork this template. Okay, so how is this built? Let's check it out. So what I'll do here is take us into the Cosmic dashboard first and install this as an extension. So when you're in your Cosmic dashboard in a new project that started from scratch, you'll see that we have this call out here for why not start with a block. You can install the blocks extension. I'll go ahead and do that here. Click install. And I now have access to this blocks website within this frame. After installing the extension, I scroll down to the Get Started section and install a fresh Next.js project with all of the options that I'll need, which is TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, not using the source directory, and not using import aliases. Okay, so now that I have my project set up, I can add my API keys, which are available. Simple copy and paste here. Let's open up VS Code, and I'll add my env file with my API keys. And now I can start adding blocks. So I go into this section below to start adding blocks. If I want to add that landing page that we saw on the agency website, it's a simple installation command, as well as installing the content model into my Cosmic project. So let's go ahead and install the landing page. Okay, next I'll need to install the block code into my Next.js project. So I can copy and paste it here. Next, I'll need to import these blocks into my code base. These are simple copy and paste sections here, but I can scroll all the way down to get a full working example in the example section. So I can just copy and paste this into my home page. Save. I'll go ahead and run the dev environment. While that's loading, you can go ahead and scroll down and see examples for using this with dynamic pages, as well as draft preview and localization. All right, so after that loads up, you'll see that the content is there, as well as you'll notice that in my Cosmic project, I now have this pages object type with all of the page content coming through. So very simple content type creation, as well as demo content available for getting started easily with this React Server component, which has been added to this Cosmic folder. You'll notice I have this landing page folder with all of these React Server components powered by the Cosmic SDK. All right, let's have more fun with this. So let's go into the layout block and let's install this one. Install the block content. All right, now we can get into it with this simple navigation menu command. All right, that installed. Now we can start adding these copy-paste code elements. So create a new components folder and add a header file. Paste your code, add a footer file, paste your code, save it, and then get your layout, save that, and now we have a navigation. We haven't set up these pages yet, so they will all return a 404 until we've actually added these into our code base. So let's go ahead and add the blog. You see the preview within the extension, and then you can install in a few clicks. All right, after that's been installed, let's install the code into our code base. And we'll get the blog list page. Create a new file at blog page.tsx. Paste the blog list. Let's add our single blog page with our slug and our page.tsx. Paste that. And notice now we have our blog. All of this content is coming from the Cosmic CMS. Just like with the landing page, we've got draft preview ready to go. We've got pagination also included, as well as localization. All right, let's install this pagination because this is pretty cool. All right, so this is the pagination block. This uses React Server components as well as server actions to load more elements onto the page. This one uses the pagination capability for numbered pages. But let's go ahead and install this block, and then we'll do the load more example. Let's go ahead and go to the blog example so we can copy and paste that pagination example. Here's the load more for the blog. Go ahead and copy and paste that here. We'll set the offset to 2. We'll refresh this page and notice there's nothing there. So now we need to go into our blog posts. And let's go ahead and duplicate some of these so we can have multiple pages. Since we're set to 2, this should show our button to load more. All right, after refreshing the page, now we can load more. Notice what it's doing here. We've got our load more component, which is triggering this server action. Honestly, this is the easiest pagination example I've ever seen, and it's all built with blocks. Another cool thing is the ability to add user-generated content. So with the comments block, we can install a fully featured comment system on our blog. Okay, let's add the code. Let's add the API route. copy paste, import it into our block. We actually have this as a fully working example with the blog post. Go into the single blog post page, and you'll see we've added our comments with querying the comments that are actually approved. We don't want any spam comments. So let's go ahead and load this up to see what that looks like. So now we have our commenting feature here. Let's go ahead and add a comment. Submit, and we get our comment awaiting approval message. Let's go into our comments object type, and notice we have a new comment by Tony. I don't know about this guy. Okay, let's approve him. If we load the page, now we'll notice that Tony's comment has come through. Okay, that's it. We've got a fully featured website with blog, pagination, comment system, preview capabilities, localization, accessibility, performance, optimized, all because of React Server components and this new way of building composable, reusable components that we can share across multiple pages, and we can install them quickly and easily using blocks.